From these vast fields begins the journey of the billion-dollar sugar industry, transforming simple sugarcane
Worth billions globally, the sugar industry is a marvel of modern agriculture. This is the journey from the lush green
reading 22% sugar content here.
Okay, noted for load 3.
Moisture is at 14%. Sugar content is high.
Good to go. Move it to the pallet.
The sugarcane is fed into massive steel rollers. The pale green juice cascades into the polished channel. Here we see the raw sugarcane juice being collected. The digital displays allow our operators to monitor the volume in real time. The translucent green sugarcane juice is channeled into these large enclosed vats, where precise level sensors monitor the volume in real time. The automated lime dosing system precisely injects chemicals into the juice tanks, neutralizing impurities.
The amber liquid glows warmly as the clarifiers slowly spin, separating the impurities in a highly controlled environment. The crystallization process begins as the supersaturated solution cools, revealing the sharp facets of the growing crystals. This is the fluidized bed dryer, where hot air suspends the crystals, ensuring an even and efficient drying process.
The fluidized bed dryer uses hot air to suspend the sugar crystals, ensuring even drying and preventing clumping.
Inside the temperature-controlled tunnel, dried sugar moves along the belts as cool air circulates to ensure crystal stability.
Purity levels are at 99.8%.
Excellent. Moisture content confirmed.
The automated weighing machines here in the packaging hall operate with extreme precision, minimizing waste and maximizing output. The robotic arms move with rhythmic precision, minimizing errors and maximizing output in this highly efficient system. The automated palletizing system operates with mesmerizing precision, stacking thousands of sugar bags every hour in perfect alignment.
We have a congestion alert at the Port of Long Beach.
Inventory levels for the Midwest are dropping.
Acknowledged.
Rerouting the
We have a bottleneck forming near the Suez.
Inventory levels are critical on the Echo 3 route.
Set it down easy, right next to the others.
Clear on the right.
The manifest matches the contents.
Confirmed on the blockchain ledger, everything is cleared for dispatch.
Cross-reference the batch numbers on the tablet.
Done. Everything matches the dispatch order.
Sugarcane, transformed from a simple crop into a million-dollar product, powers an astonishing global industry.
Sugarcane is transformed here into a million-dollar product, powering a vast global industry.